You are a citizen of Nigeria, yet you know nothing about the Nigerian legislators. Yes, I mean the members of the House of Senate and the House of Representatives. What about them? They took an oath. They promised to serve the people. They promised to be the voice of the voiceless. But behind those smiles, behind those waving hands, is a different story entirely. The story of power preserved. The story of promises that are broken. They came to govern, but who do they really serve? A Nigerian senator earns over 21 million naira a month. That is in addition with running costs. And that's more than a doctor or a teacher will earn in years. Add housing allowances, wardrobe allowances, domestic staff, and yet we have hardship. We have a country where the minimum wage is about 30,000 naira. Imagine a nation where those who make laws live like kings, while those laws leave millions of Nigerians to suffer in poverty. This is not public service. This is legalized theft. They don't just take, they flaunt it. You see them, they move from private jets to designer labels. These men and women of the people post their wealth online like trophies. You will see a convoy so long that it blocks traffic. Foreign trips on taxpayers' money. You will see Instagram stories of expensive dinners, of 5-star hotels. This is not leadership. This is arrogance on display. While senators fly first class, schools have no chairs. While lawmakers share billions in budgets, hospitals lack gloves and medicine. The same government that pays for luxury lifestyles fails to provide basic amenities. Families of Nigerians sleep hungry as billions are siphoned away. This is not mismanagement, this is betrayal. The very people that elected them are the ones suffering the consequences of their greed. Lawmaking in Nigeria is not just about laws that help the citizens. It is a business. Bills are not passed. They are bought with millions in bribes. Budgets are padded with ghost projects. Oversight committees turn a blind eye when money changes hands. Public funds that are meant to build hospitals, meant to build schools, disappear into private pockets. The very system that was designed to protect the people has become the engine of corruption. They sleep on the job, literally. While the nation waits for solution, lawmakers snore critical debates. Some attend the sitting just to collect allowances, while others fight over trivial issues. You see them fighting in the house. When urgent bills fail, the excuse is lack of quorum or insufficient debate. This is not representation. It is a paid vacation in Abuja. Some forged certificates, many siphoned public funds. Yet, how many have faced justice? None. These men and women write the law, but they are not held accountable. Their crimes go unpunished because they control the judiciary and even the police. They are Nigeria's untouchables. Immune from the very laws that they make. Why do we let this continue? Tribal loyalty, poverty, fear. We have a fractured society where ethnic and religious differences divide us more than corruption unite us. We cheer those who oppress us because they belong to our side. We remain silent. We remain distracted by drama while our leaders grow fat on our suffering. This is a system that was built on silence and fear. A democracy where votes are sold and voices are bought. But change is possible. The youth are waking up, demanding transparency, refusing to be silent. Now, the question is, will they be enough to confront a system that is deeply entrenched in greed? And our future depends on it. The next election is coming. Remember the faces behind the masks. Remember the luxury while the nation suffers. This is not a choice between parties. It is a choice between progress or continued plunder. You as a citizen, will you vote for change or will you choose silence? The ball is in your court. The power is in your hands.